Alright, me and Marty are going to risk life and limb.
That's gonna race.
We're going to race down this hill.
I don't think I've ever won. I don't think you've ever lost.
Yeah, I always beat Marty.
But I think I got you this time.
You know what? There could be a spot down here we'd have to call 911. I got my spot tracker still on.
Alright.
3, 2, 1, go. Hey, you cheated. Oh, he cheated. He better not take my line. Oh man, he took my line. I'll have to pass him on the outside. Holy shit. Thing is not to use your brakes, and I just did. Oh, he waxed my ass. That turkey. I better crouch down so I can cut the wind. Man, he's pulling away. I touched my brakes one time, done me in. I was done for. Oh, he's declaring victory. Victory ain't won until somebody stops rolling. Alright, I gotta pick good lines here. I gotta stay out of that soft stuff. Yeah, he's in the soft stuff. Look at him. Oh, he's in the soft stuff. He's in it again. Here I come. Here I come. I'm coming. Oh, he's figured it out now. He is a genius, by the way. Thing is, I'm going to have to run off that soft stuff to pass him. Oh, crap.
Hey!
Oh! I beat him by 7 feet.
Oh, you cheated.
I am unbeaten.
You cheated.
No, I didn't either. I got it on video. You'd heard my engine running. I got it all on video.
Damn 250. Better bike in every way. Cheated.
Boy, I thought you had me for sure.
I did too.
I seen a couple spots where you kind of got in some soft stuff, and I stayed in the hard.
Doggone it.
That may be what got you.
I was trying to cut the track short.
Yeah.
Alright, you win.
I tell you what made me win though is my fat ass. That's what it was.
I bet I'm heavier. Heavier bike, heavier body.
That's fun, Marty.